In this video, we'll show you how to clean your electric stove top efficiently and safely. Over time, spills, grease, and burnt-on food can build up, making your stove top look messy and less functional. With the right cleaning techniques, you can restore your stove top to a sparkling condition without damaging it. Let's get started. To clean your electric stove top, you'll need a few basic supplies: mild dish soap, a non-abrasive sponge or cloth, a scraper or plastic spatula for stubborn spots, baking soda, white vinegar, and a microfiber cloth for drying and polishing. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, as these can damage the surface. Start by turning off the stove and ensuring it's completely cool before cleaning. Remove any removable parts, such as drip pans or burner coils, and set them aside for separate cleaning. If your stove top has built-in knobs, consider wiping them down carefully with a damp cloth. Begin by wiping the surface with a damp cloth or sponge to remove loose dirt and crumbs. For stuck-on food or grease, apply a few drops of dish soap to the sponge and gently scrub the affected areas. For glass or smooth surfaces, avoid using harsh scrubbing pads that can scratch the surface. For tougher stains or burnt-on food, sprinkle baking soda directly onto the affected areas. Spray or pour a small amount of white vinegar over the baking soda, letting the mixture bubble and fizz. Allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to break down the grime. Use a soft sponge or scraper to gently lift the residue, taking care not to scratch the surface. If your electric stove top has removable burner coils or drip pans, clean them separately. Wash the drip pans with warm soapy water, scrubbing away grease and residue. Rinse thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before placing them back on the stove. Wipe down the burner coils with a damp cloth. Do not submerge them in water. Once the surface is clean, wipe it down with a damp cloth to remove any leftover residue. Dry the stove top with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots and streaks. For a glossy finish, you can apply a small amount of glass cleaner or a stove top polish specifically designed for electric stoves. To keep your stove top clean, wipe it down after each use to prevent grease and spills from hardening. Use a splatter guard or lid when cooking to minimize mess, and address spills immediately to avoid tough stains. Cleaning an electric stove top doesn't have to be a difficult task. With these simple steps, you can keep your stove looking pristine and functioning at its best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical cleaning tips and kitchen care guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.